Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a public or shared post that encourages interaction. This gives visibility. Once the post is open, expand all comments and watch for recurring names because repetition signals active users. Make sure to glance at reactions. People who reacted often comment too. They are likely receptive. While you look, keep your profile visible and approachable. A clear photo and concise bio increase acceptances. Begin compiling a short list of promising profiles to check next. Now evaluate each candidate. Scan mutual friends and recent posts to confirm shared context. This reduces cold request risk. Once you find alignment, like a comment and reply with something specific and helpful, add value and a conversational touch. After the reply, observe the response. If they engage, wait for 1-2 positive exchanges. Then send a short friend request mentioning the post or shared interest, so your invitation feels natural and memorable. Finish by crafting a concise request that references the post and why you'd like to connect. People respond to context. Once sent, give it time. If there's no reply, wait 1 to 2 weeks and follow up politely with a brief message reiterating the shared topic. If you're blocked or the profile is private and unresponsive, accept that boundary and look for other contacts from that post. One key troubleshooting tip: clear your cache or switch devices if comments don't load properly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.